Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to talk about why I left Keller Williams to join eXp Realty. And listen, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my page, and make sure you hit that bell icon for notifications of any new videos. My name is Charla Cook. I am with eXp Realty and I am a real estate agent in Colorado. One of the things I want to go over, there's actually 5 reasons why I left Keller Williams to join eXp Realty. Number 1 is retirement, and number 2 is actually growth. 3 was incentive, 4 income, and 5 ownership. And if you hang on to the end, I'm going to share my 6th reason for you, and that'll be the bonus reason. So let's talk first about retirement, because one of the things that agents really don't talk about, they don't really even think about, is retirement. It gets here faster than any of us want it to get here. So one of the things that we are really good at as agents is getting on the hamster wheel, going round and round, and we get off of it, close the transaction, and boom, we're right back on the hamster wheel again. We live our life like that as real estate agents. That is our career. And at some point, all of us start to scratch our head and say there has got to be a better way. Well, when I saw eXp and their business model, I truly believe I found that better way. Most real estate companies, matter of fact, all that I know of, offer no benefits to the agents. Now, one of the beautiful things about eXp Realty is it is what we call agent-centric. Everything they do is for the agent. So when I talk about retirement, they have a plan for you to retire from. Now, your plan might be 5 years, it might be 15 years. We're all at different age spectrums, aren't we? But it doesn't matter. You might be 35 years old and say, I want to retire in 5 years. Now with eXp Realty, you can actually do that. So if you haven't thought about an exit strategy yet, today's a really good day to start thinking about it. Number 2, let's talk about growth. When I was with Keller Williams, I looked for opportunities that I could grow. And I looked at those opportunities as a business person, not as a salesperson. There is truly a difference. What opportunities I had in Keller Williams, I was like, there's really no way for me to grow here as a business person. So it wasn't long after being with Keller Williams for a few years that I started looking for something else, something that would help me fulfill that business person side of me. So therefore, when I found eXp Realty, I was like, I can build out a business for the Cook Foundation. I am not working just for my broker, I am working for the Cooks. And so that is really important that we're building something for ourselves. The other thing when I saw eXp Realty was like, man, this is a ground floor opportunity. This is a brand new company. They are agent-centric. Everything they're doing is for the agent at the top, the broker at the bottom, versus usually it's the other way. The agent's at the bottom, the broker's at the top. And I said, this is a ground floor opportunity for somebody to come into my territory and make a difference in the lives of agents. I was all over that. So that was the second reason. And also in that second reason, I had no territory restrictions. So with Keller Williams, my franchise broker, owner, had a territory that any of his agents had to work within. We couldn't go out of that territory. And so when I saw eXp, I was like, I have no territory restrictions. That is a really big deal when you stop to think about that. Number 3, the other part is incentive. So when I was looking at moving over to eXp, I was like, there is more incentive for me to move to eXp than there is for me to stay with Keller Williams. At some point, you have to ask yourself those questions if you're a growth-minded person. If you are a person of opportunity, you look at all business models. Did I like Keller Williams? Yeah, I did. I loved everybody in the office that I worked with. I had a great broker. But you know what? There was nothing in it for the Cook Foundation. So the incentive to look elsewhere was there. I just didn't want to build my broker's financial security. I wanted to build my financial security. So I began to say, Charla, what's in it for you? What's in it for your team, the Cook experience? And you have to make decisions, business decisions, based upon your career and your future. So incentive was a really big reason for me. And you know what? At this point, I want you guys to make sure that you are liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, because I'm going to be giving you really great videos to come. And make sure you click on that bell icon so that you get notifications of any new videos that I have coming up. Now, number 4, income. This is a biggie, because immediately when I switched from Keller Williams to eXp, I gave myself a raise right out of the box. Our splits are lower at eXp Realty over Keller Williams. I was like, well, this is a no-brainer. So immediately from one day to the next, I just gave myself a huge raise. And then since we're talking about income, so let me explain to you the difference between profit share and revenue share. Profit share pays us off of the bottom. So what that means is Keller Williams is a brick and mortar franchise company. They have expenses. They have brick and mortar expenses. They have salaries. They have leases. They have office expenses. And all of that comes off whatever money comes in through that market center. Whatever's left over at the end is basically split between the agents and the broker, and that's where we actually get our profit share amount each month. Now, they have a formula that they use. Honest to goodness, it is so confusing. I don't know how anybody could ever figure it out. I finally did figure it out, and I'm glad I did, because once I saw the revenue share program from eXp Realty, I was like, this is a no-brainer. I'm getting paid off of the top, not the bottom. And so I was like, my percentage is so much better. So that means I have more income coming in every month off of those agents who come into eXp Realty because of me. It's a beautiful thing. So I am going to do a future video to explain profit share versus revenue share. So you make sure you get that notification bell clicked on so that you get notification of how that program works. So the 5th thing is ownership. I want to talk to you a little bit about ownership. You know, my husband and I have been in business over 40 years. We're business people. We think like business people. We do things different than a lot of real estate agents. We think different. You combine that experience together, we've got 80 years combined experience. So, you know, one of the reasons you start a business is to sell a business. Did you know that? That's going to be another video I'm going to do coming up down the road. We just don't get into a career and doing a business without some kind of an exit strategy. So with eXp Realty, there was ownership for me. Now, number 6, here's the bonus. And we are shareholders. Have you ever heard of Southwest Airlines? Sure you have. Do you know why they're so successful? It's because those employees are all shareholders. Well, think about that in the terms of eXp Realty. We're all shareholders. It matters what we do in this company. It matters who comes over to eXp Realty. All of it matters. So we get shares many different ways, and I'm just going to share 2 different ways. First way is, on my first transaction of every year, I get bonus shares. If somebody comes into the company because of me, guess what? I get bonus shares. And the 3rd thing I'm going to talk really briefly about, and that's becoming an icon agent. The beautiful thing about eXp Realty is you can attain to a level called icon agent. That's going to be another video I'm going to do, because it's really important for people to realize, hey, I've capped. Yeah, I'm in the 100% club now with eXp Realty, but I can go higher. They're going to reward you with $16,000 worth of shares in that icon program. You tell me where you can go and get something else like that. They don't exist. But you stay tuned. Make sure you keep coming back, because I'm going to talk about that. And then remember, if you haven't liked, shared, or subscribed yet, make sure you do that, and make sure you hit that bell icon. So until next time, it's Charla with the Cook Experience. Let us do it for you.